Hi guys, today I'm going to do a slime video, and I just want to say that much because I first, can we get this video to 100 likes? Thank you. So I'm going to do it. You don't have to give me subscribers. I want 1 subscribers. Please subscribe. Turn on the notification. Okay, first I want to start with this one. So let's see. That's cool. Okay, so let's do this. No, don't stick. Don't stick. So it's going to go now. I'm sorry, but okay, so it's gonna be a mess. This one goes on. Okay, so let's start with this one. It's kind of hard. I like the poking. Not that much poking. So let's go to the next one. Really slow. This one's the sweetie pie. This one's the sweetie pie. Sweetie pie. This one's sweetie pie. Like this sweetie pie. Sweetie pie. She's kind of sticky. And it has a pink. And then sweetie pie. And then I would love oh my god, I love this one. And like the cookie. And that's sticky. And that's sticks. Whatever. I really like it so much. If you guys want slime, just subscribe and I'll give it to you. Oh, that was good. This one. Oh, I cannot stop playing with this one. Okay, do it like other people do it. So do this, do that, do that, that. See that guys? See it? But now that's not really do it. Do this. See if I can try to do it. Take this, like that, take this, that, now how it's gonna be this. So you grab this, right? And you grab another one, right? Another one, and you do that. But it's not working. If you guys know what I'm talking about, comment down below. I'm sorry if I keep playing with this. It's just so cool. You cannot really go and touch it. I wish you guys were here. I'm like 9 years old. You have to catch me running. There they loaded. I think that's what I'm done with one. Go to this baby. Fluffy slime. This fluffy slime. This really beautiful. Let's go see her color. Let's just fluffy stuff. Keep it because I'm trying to make a bubble. Okay, so guys, we're gonna try to play with them all. So let's get this one over here. Let's get this baby over here. Okay, so the ones over here. Other baby over here. Other baby over here. Over here. So we're gonna try to poke them all together. Ow! Did you guys saw that? They all three of them can make this. Oh, they can make this. All three. All two. See? Yep, it's just doing it. Let's see. So we're going to do it the second time. This is good. So we're going let's go to this one. Oh, it's like headboard. Cool.